Hey guys and girls, today we're going to be printing a FAB 365 model. I stumbled across this website a couple of days ago and I really like some of their models, especially their robot models. So they do loads of different designs, candlesticks, spheres, all sorts of things which are actually really quite unique. If we have a look on the gadgets, but this is some of their robots. And the uniqueness of these is that they're all designed to print is one piece with moving parts. So for instance, if we have a look at the foldable biomechanical DL, or it looks pretty much like a Dalek to me, we can see here that they print in one piece and then they all fold and clip together. So I'm going to be printing the foldable canine. So the foldable canine is obviously the lovable little robot from Doctor Who. Comes in two files, so we can see here there's the tail part and the actual canine itself. Now this thing is, in my opinion, pretty cool. I mean, I'm a Doctor Who fan anyway, but just the fact that it all prints in one part with no supports. You don't need to have supports turned on, which is a really nice feature. You can see here that once it snaps together, there's a few moving parts. So the wheels are designed to move. There's a control panel here which will move up and down, and also the head has the ability to move. So really cool. Let's get this thing set up, ready to print, and we'll make sure support's turned off because we don't need it. And it's going to print, it says it's going to take about 8 hours. Just want to check what layer height that's on. 2 top shells 3, bottom solid. Yeah, so I'm going for 3, 3 and 3. Infill I'm going to drop to 20%. It won't make a lot of difference. So it's going to take 6 hours 20 minutes roughly. I'm going to get this sliced and onto the printer. Okay, so this is the foldable canine. So you can see there's holes there. The support just popped out of that, which is really cool. So we are going to very gently That's cool. These little head moves, and mechanical panel opens, which is amazing. And then we're just going to attach his tail. Okay, so just pop in the tail in. It should literally just click in. And there we go. I mean, this thing is incredible. So the wheels will move, side panel, and the details so cool. Tail. He does actually roll, look. Head rotates. I mean, this thing is seriously impressive. So I've put a link to the model in the description. So if you want to grab yourself a copy, it's I think it was $2.49 from FAB 365. So yeah, so little K9.